is a Monday and we're planning to vlog kami ni Sap. Sa pilitan to. Kasi they have pasok pa eh, kaya magpe-prepare muna kami ng baon nila and magagayak muna sila ng pampasok sa school. Good morning! Say hi! Say hi, love! Hi! Hi! Okay. So, dyan muna kayo guys and magpe-prepare muna din ako ng gamit ni Sam at magliligpit muna ako ng pinaghigaan namin. Okay. Kasi yung isa kong anak na mas malaki pa sa akin ay nakikitulog pa dito sa kwarto namin. Masyado siyang clingy sa nanay niya.
Wow! Yes.
Hindi siya nakakatulog na hindi ako katabi.
Hey! You said I should sleep here muna.
Oh, wala ako sinabi. Wala
Yes,
ako.
you did.
You don't have evidence.
Wow, okay.
That's not gonna pass in the court.
Okay, but sleep different later.
Oh, no. I can't sleep without you. You sleep here. Okay. So, it's just gonna be an open bed kasi tutulugan pa yan eh. Papa later pagdating niya. Okay. Hi guys, good morning, Papa. Good morning, Papa. Davino, good morning. Yeah. Papasok na ang mga kids namin. We're gonna drop them off at school. We're gonna pick up Sab's friend first kasi sumasabay siya sa amin. I mean, kay Sab pagpasok. Hi guys! So, we're gonna pick up Zhang. He's done for school today. Itong babaitang to, umuwi maaga. Sipag niya, no, guys? Sabihin niya, sipag mo sa ba? We're gonna pick up Zhang.
They're gonna think I'm not studying well.
Yeah, you're not.
Mommy, I look weird. Look, I
I thought he's going to his conference today because he was out sick for a week.
Oh, okay.
And this morning he was driving. So he was like,
No, he was good actually. He was good actually. And then, you know, being with the new E also. So, yeah, no, he was good. Keeping our fingers crossed for tomorrow.
yes.
Right?
Thank you. Have a good
Thanks,
day.
miss. Have a good day.
Fudge, 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 fudge.
Hi guys. Pipit up Sam. Can you walk?
Look at them.
Meanwhile,
They're walking, oh. How about you? No?
Sis, come on. Oh, you say hi to mommy's vlog.
You say hi to mommy's vlog.
Hi.
Can you flying kiss the guys?
Flying kiss.
Flying kiss the guys.
Flying kiss.
Flying kiss.
Okay.
The next day.
Hello guys! So today is a Tuesday. May pasok ako ngayon. Naghihintay lang ako ng pagdating ng bus. Since malamig sa labas, hindi mo na ako pupunta ng bus stop until malapit na siya. So I'm still here but I'm ready to go. Di kasi ako maatid ni Dar kasi ginagawa nila ni Tito yung sasakyan. Nag-change oil sila and something. Ayun, so, pagdating ng bus, sama ko kayo sa work ko. Alam naman na kung ano yung work ko eh. But, I'll try to vlog as much as I can this week. So, hopefully I will have an upload. And I'm trying to be as consistent as I can be. So, ayun guys. I will update you later. Wala yung mga bata. They're at school right now. Mamaya pa uwi nila. Sunduin sila ng papa nila. So, ayun guys. Papasok muna ako in a few minutes. Darating na rin yung bus. So, later sama ako kayo. Okay? Bye! Tcharan! Kanina andito sila lahat. So, kalimutan ko i-vlog. Pero ayan. Binuhat ko yan lahat. So, we'll continue organizing, guys.